Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the sheet and selecting the exact range you want to convert. This ensures pixel-perfect output. First, save a working copy so you can crop without fear, then select cells or chart and set the print area. Next, use page layout to set orientation, scaling, and margins. This controls how Excel renders the image. Once done, preview with Page Break Preview to confirm bounds. Make small adjustments now, because later steps capture what you see. You export to a high-resolution PDF. Because Excel's direct image exports are limited, PDF preserves vector clarity and layout. Choose File, Save As, pick PDF, and select Standard Publishing to get higher quality. Make sure page size and any printer or export DPI settings are set high, 300 DPI, or more if you need sharp text. Once the PDF is created, open it in an image editor or viewer that can rasterize pages. This gives you control over final. Now rasterize the page and save as JPG. This is the actual conversion step. In your image editor, import the PDF page, set rasterization to 300 DPI or specify exact pixel dimensions, and crop to the selected area. Then export as JPG, choosing quality level to balance file size and clarity. Use 80-100% for text-heavy images. If you see blurring or artifacts, make sure the PDF export had correct scaling, recheck DPI settings, and re-export.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.